Hello. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to do the following on your own. Access Google Forms online, use forms to design a survey and collect data, and understand how to access collected data for use in assignments or work. Let's start by launching the Chrome Internet Browser located in your Start menu, or on the taskbar for me at the bottom of my screen. This will take you to Google, which now shows on your screen. Next, click Sign in the upper right-hand corner, which I'm already signed in. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one here. Once you have logged in, you will automatically return to this screen that shows. Click on the grid in the upper right-hand corner where you see my cursor in order to access the Google Apps. Scroll down with this little bar and click on the purple Forms icon. Once here, just click blank to get started in Forms. So this is a blank Google form. We're designing this form in order to collect data from willing classmates or possibly for work purposes, such as collecting t-shirt sizes. You can customize the form however you wish. For now, let's title this form by clicking in the Untitled Form area and call it Classmate Data. Now you can click in the form description to add detail. You can say whatever you like. For now, we're going to type this form will be used to collect data for t-shirt sizes. Now you can click on the untitled question here and write t-shirt size. We will next click on option 1 here and write men's medium. We need to collect one more size, so let's click here and write men's large. Scroll down on the side of your screen here so you can see the whole thing. We want to make sure to slide this little bar here next to required over, which makes it so that people have to choose a t-shirt size. Next, we need to collect information about who is signing this form so that we can track who to give each shirt size to. Click the little plus icon here. That will add another question. We want this to be a short answer question, so we'll use that little arrow and choose short answer. In the title, put first and last name. This will allow the user to type their name where it says short answer text. Again, let's choose required to make sure that they fill in that before they leave the form. You're almost done. Depending on the size of your screen, scroll up to the top right and click on the purple Send button here. You will now have the Send form window showing on your screen. Just make sure the box is checked next to the top line. Automatically collect respondents' information. Don't worry that it's going to my email address. That's automatically populated. I'm going to type in my email address here because I'm going to send the form to myself. I find it's easier that way I can include a personal note with my form. And then I'm going to click Send. So I've sent myself the form. If I check my email and go over here and see that it came in, and I can click Fill Out Form just like somebody else would do. Let's make sure I like how this form is. And then I hit Submit. Let's do one more time to collect a little bit more data. I'm going to put Susie's and hit Submit. If I go back to my form here, you will see that there's a little 2 next to the responses that it's collected. So if I click on responses, I can see at a glance my summary, who has responded, and their shirt sizes. If you have many more responses and need to sort them or save the data for use later, click on the 3 vertical dots here on my screen, on your screen as well, and it gives you choices. I prefer to save the data outside of the form. Just choose Select Response Destination, and you will see choices. I like to create a new spreadsheet, and we can title it anything we want. So we can say T-shirt sizes. Okay, and click the little button Create in the upper right-hand corner. And now we've created a source for our data to go to. Once you've created that, you're brought back to your survey page where you are now. Click on the little green icon here to view your data. This is Google Sheets. So now my data is here. If I had 100 t-shirt sizes, I could select them by size. I could see who has responded, and everything would be neat and tidy here. Everything, of course, is back here in my form as well. I can edit this form or see my responses at any time. So remember, Google Forms can be used to collect data as simple as t-shirt sizes to multi-question, short answer questionnaires across the organization. You can send your form out to people individually via email or post a link for easy access from a website. Once data is captured, it's accessible in Google Sheets for further manipulation. The program is super easy to learn and use. Thanks.